Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, we're gonna talk about the template that are being used by these Ponzi schemers. First off, let's try to understand more about what the hell is a Ponzi scheme. So, a Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investing scam promising high rates of return with little risk to investors. So, it's almost always too good to be true, okay? A Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investing scam which generates returns for earlier investors with money taken from later investors. So, yung mga nauna, yung mga nagpa-profit, and then yung mga late na nakapasok sa mga Ponzi schemes is sila yung nagtitake ng losses. And then kapag natigil na yung scheme nila and na-expose sila as being a Ponzi scheme, like itatakbo na nila yung pera and then yun, maraming marerect, okay? So ganun gumagana or like ganun nagwo-work yung isang Ponzi scheme. This is similar to a pyramid scheme in that both are based on using new investors' funds to pay the earlier backers. So wala talaga silang actually ginagawa dun sa mga pera, Hindi naman talaga nila in-invest. Like pinapaikot-ikot lang nila. As long as merong bagong members na sumasali, and like, as long as may mga bagong quote-unquote investors, then meron silang cash, meron silang pera na pinapaikot. And ayun, both Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes eventually bottom out when the flood of new investors dries up and there isn't enough money to go around. And syempre nga, di ba, kapag expose sila, then like, mas konti na yung tao na ma-attract sa nila. At that point, the schemes unravel. So, may expose na talaga sila eventually. So, andito na naman tayo sa Current Investments. Sawang-sawa na ako dito. And then, di ba, sinabi ko sa inyo na kinopya lang ito dun dito sa Oakside Investment. And dun sa last video kasi, this is my fault. Kasi I wasn't able to check or like deep dive dito sa Oakside. Kasi I thought that this was the legit investment company na pinagkopyahan ng Curther, pero hindi pala. Pareho silang investment scam, Pareho silang fake companies. Well, nag-exist naman talaga yung company, but like Ponzi schemes lang ito. Kasi itong mga taong ito, they're all fake. And then kinopya lang itong mga, well, ito mga personalities talaga, like mga ano sila, mga head ng mga companies sila, respective companies sila, but these are not their names, okay? So, kita nyo naman dito, diba? Motivating leader, blah, 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 blah. And then yan, same thing dito. Ang nakakatawa dito, merong isa pa na investment kuno company, na ganun lang din sinasabi. A motivating leader who embodies our firm's culture with nearly 16 years of leadership roles at our firm. Gary Van Leuven Jr. leverages his firm's specific industry knowledge, blah, 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 blah. So, same thing lang, Pati yung education, like, hindi man lang nila baguhin. Ewan ko dito sa mga Ponzi schemers na ito. Pero medyo lokbo sila. Pero syempre, namin pa rin nalang naloloko kasi hindi naman like katulad natin, Like, hindi naman pare-parehong tao or like pare-parehong mabusisi yung ibang tao. Like, syempre iba ay nakita, 1% every day. Ang laki nung kikitain ko dyan. So, yung upside lang palagi nakikita natin and like, parang hindi masyado nagke-care yung mga tao, Like, nakikita lang nila palagi is yung reward. But nila nakita yung risk and nila nakikita na, baka pala scam to, And to justify their actions, sinasabi lang palagi nila is, nauna ako. So, that's why I profited. And ganun naman talaga nag-work yung Ponzi scheme. Pagka nauna ka, yes, pwede kang kumita, but ang daming taong mawawala ng pera in the end. Tapos yun, kita nyo naman dito, parehong-pareho talaga. Ayan. So, nag-investigate pa ako further. So, Oakside, diba? Tapos ito, kita nyo naman. Sobrang parehong-pareho. Yung template is like the same. Like, what the hell? Tapos, yung president, like, iisa lang din yung sinasabi nila. Hindi man lang nila tawag doon, i-paraphrase or like, I don't know, baguhin yung pagka-construct nung mga sentences. So, hindi talaga nila in-effort on like copy-paste lang. Tapos paulit-ulit lang nilang ginagawa para mas marami sila maloko. And ibig sabihin lang to, na it's like the same group of people. Kasi I believe hindi lang isang tao yung gumagawa nito. So, it's like the same group of people who are creating these Ponzi schemes. And we don't know who they are. Diba? Pero, I mean, I know na hindi like sobrang daming na-reach ng mga videos ko, ng mga episodes ko, but I just wanted to do my part para dun sa mga, existing subscribers ko na baka nakita sila ng itong investment and then like ni-refer sila ng family nila, ng mga friends sila. And then I just don't want you guys to fall for these schemes. And yun nga, ang dami nilang like mga fanboys and fangirls na naniniwala. Kasi it pays. So, it's legit in their minds, but it's not. Alright, so yan, balik tayo sa Arthur. And then yung next one. So ito, syempre, i-research natin yung photo. So, diba, sa Oakside, si Andrew Walker daw. So, akala ko ito yung tunay na tao na pinagkopyahan kay Sidegaus. Pero hindi pala. Peke din pala si Andrew Walker. And then, pagka ni-research mo yan, yung photo niya, si Michael H. McCain yung lumalabas. So, si Michael H. McCain is a real person. So, yan siya, Kita nyo naman, maple leaf. And then, karamihan doon sa mga tao is like Canadian. Kasi like, Canada, sa Canada din based daw itong Arthur, quote-unquote. But it doesn't really like exist. It's just for show and yeah, para lang gumana yung kanilang Ponzi scheme. And then, ito, si Michael McCain. So, diba? Kita nyo naman, yan yung photo niya. Nakinopya or like nilagay dun sa dun sa Oakside. So yan, di ba? Kita niyo naman. You can't really fake this. So ito yung tunay na tao, si Michael H. McCain. And ito yung kanyang credentials. Hindi naman ginamit yung credentials niya dun sa peking website. But anyway, ito yung tunay na tao and then peke na yung iba. Okay, then next one naman is si Doyle E Johnson. Ganda ng pangalan And then, hindi rin siya tunay na tao. Pagka ni-reverse image search nyo, etong picture na ito, ang lalabas is Chief Actuary pala siya ng Manulife. Manulife is like one of the biggest insurance companies here in the world. So, si Stephen Finch talaga itong taong ito. So, hindi siya involved dun sa Oakside shit na yun. Okay? And then next one is si M.W. Williams. Hindi rin siya tunay na tao. Peke lang din. Kinapi-pasta lang din yung credentials and itong description niya dito sa website. Then reverse image search lang ulit. Sobrang dali na to gawin, guys. So if you have the time and you want to check out if a company is legit and hindi lang nila kayo isaskamin, then you can do this yourselves. So ito siya. Si Peter Wehrly siya. Okay. Yan yung tunay na tao and then peke na yung iba. Alright, and then sa Vivex Biologics siya involved, si Peter Wehrly. And then yan, another picture, and then ito nasa Business Wire siya. And alam mo nung pagkakatiwalaan daw kasi this is a Berkshire Hathaway company which is a company by Warren Buffett. Then next up is si Walker, Sheena, Kathryn. I mean, bruh. Do they even think about these names? Come on, man. Then kapag ka ni-reverse image search nyo, ito yung mga lalabas. And then kapag ka nag-scroll down kayo, ang dami nyo makikita, naging pala siya, CEO ng Walmart sa Canada. But she's not working with Walmart currently. So ito siya, di ba? Yan yung picture na ginamit. And then, ayan, Canada's new secret weapon. But hindi na siya working with like, with Walmart. So currently she is with Chico's. Alright, whatever that is. I'm not familiar with Chico's, but ito yung tunay na tao. Next up is si J. Rayko-Smith. Pagka ni-research mo to, lalabas si J.R. Smith. Kasi J.R. Smith. I mean, I don't know, baka basketball fan din naman yung mga, Ponzi schemers na ito. Kaya like pinaglaruan lang nila, yung pangalan ni J.R. Smith. But whatever, pagka ni-reverse image search nyo, ito yung mga lalabas. And then yung tunay niyang pangalan is si Yves Desjardins-Siciliano. Okay? So ito yung tunay na tao. Tapos ayan, ang dami yung pictures, diba? So, kita nyo na agad, diba? Na kinopya lang yung picture. And then, pinaste lang doon. And then, naghanap lang sila ng parang description na, ito kapani-paniwala naman. And then, like, syempre, all the gullible people na gusto ng easy money, naniniwala sa kanila. Until now, naniniwala pa rin sila. And nakakatawa nga na ang dami pa rin like, ang dami nang hate doon sa video about Arthur. I mean, I don't really care. Because hindi naman ako yung masascam eh. But, of course, I have like empathy dun sa mga mahuhuli na like kung mag-quote-unquote invest sa mga Ponzi schemes na ito, and then sila yung mawawala ng pera, and then happy yung mga nauna. So that's not good, and for me that's not the right way to do it. Then ito yung kanyang LinkedIn profile. And then last but not the least, si Susan Baur or whatever that is. Peke naman yung pangalan na yan. So ito, no, reverse image search lang ulit. Makikita niyo mga results. So yung taong yun is si Bridgitte Anderson. So grabe talaga. Like, I mean, I would give it to Kurther na gumamit sila ng what you call this, ng mga stock photos. So it's a bit hard to like find pagka nag-reverse image search ka. But itong si Oakside, garapalan talaga. And yung ginamit is like top people in their fields, no? Talagang mga CEOs, mga head ng companies in Canada. So, I don't know kung paano sila nakapanloko ng tao, but I mean, siguro, lang talaga, inherently, we're lazy people and we just want everything to be easy. So, like, we fall for these scams. But, of course, that's why I'm here, para to warn you and to like bring this to your attention. Okay, so ito yung kanyang LinkedIn profile. And then may mga articles na sinusulat about her. And now balik naman tayo sa Kurther. So itong motivating leader blah 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 ito. Kinuha pala nila ito, no, sa isang tao lang. And ngayon na pinpoint ko na. So pagka what do you call this? Sa pagka ito kinopy-paste nyo itong part na ito. Copy nyo lang. Paste nyo sa Google. Then, ang dami nang lalabas, no? So, lalabas na agad siya sa Oakside. Okay? Ito sa stocks dashboard. I'm not sure if this is legit, pero nung binuksan ko, hindi daw safe yung website. So, I just didn't include it here on the video. And then, tumabas yung Kurther. And then, lumabas si Eric Rodriguez, which is, I think, fishy din. So, yeah, may LinkedIn profile siya, but I believe he's not a legit person as well. So, yeah, maybe he's just impersonating or like using a pseudonym. And then yung tunay talaga is si David M. Solomon, which is like the leader, no, ng Goldman Sachs. So, ito si Eric P. Rodriguez. So, same thing lang yung sinasabi, no? Ayan, with nearly 16 years of leadership roles at our firm, Eric Rodriguez leverages his firm-specific and industry knowledge to lead the firm and its people, develop the firm strategy, embody the tone at the top, blah, 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 blah. Tapos ito, nakalagay pa rin, education, graduate of Leland Stanford Junior University. Ayun, di ba? Ito rin yun nandito sa Kurther. And if you still think that they're legit, you're delusional, you're a clown, or whatever. But yeah, you gotta wake up. Then ito na talaga, no, yung tunay na pinagkuhan nila, si David M. Solomon. So, siya yung chairman and chief executive officer ng Goldman Sachs. So, yun, kita nyo naman dito, pag binasa with over 20 years, dito nga binago nila, kasi 20 years yung kay David M. Solomon, and then yung kila Kurther, and then kay Oakside, and yung other investment scam na company, 16 years na yung nilagay nila. Pero same thing lang yung naka-indicate, no? So, with over 20 years of leadership roles at our firm, leverages firm-specific and industry knowledge to lead the firm and its people, develop the firm strategy, embody the tone of at the top, and help protect and enhance our firm's culture, including through his commitment to talent development and diversity of our workforce. Copy-pasta lang basically. Okay, another comparison, no? So, same thing lang talaga. Diba? With over 20 years of leadership roles at our firm, dito naman with nearly 16 years of leadership at our firm, di ba? Mr. Said, dinagdag lang nila yun. Di ba? After that, leverages his firm-specific and industry knowledge to lead the firm and its people, develop the firm strategy, and then yung tone at the top pa nga, talagang ginaya lang talaga nila. Ayan, di ba? Tone at the top. So again, I just want to be thorough with this one, just to make it clear for the people who don't really watch the content and don't try to understand the point that I'm trying to make. And sinasabi pa nila na wala daw akong karapatan to like make the review because I haven't tried Kurther yet. Why would I throw away my money on Kurther? And even though na meron akong like window, no? If there's like a window for me to take advantage of this Ponzi scheme, I wouldn't do that. Kasi that beats the purpose of what I'm doing, right? I want people to like handle their personal finances. I want people to invest and to save. and to like achieve financial freedom, because that's what I want for myself as well. So I want it for myself and I want it for other people, di ba? Para tayo lahat masaya. And then if I find something like this and then I take advantage of it and make money out of it, that is not good for my conscience, and I couldn't take that. That's why I will never invest in these kinds of companies na nagtatry lang mang scam. No? And yeah, again and again, Ponzi scheme works kasi meron mga unang backers and investors, and then nababayaran sila kasi may mga bago na pumapasok. Pero kapag natapos na, no, or like wala nang gusto mag-invest sa kanila, the Ponzi scheme will cease to exist, okay? Mawawala na sila, mabubura na sila, and itatakbo na nila yung pera, okay? Kasi wala na eh. Paano mo mababayaran yung mga bago? Wala naman like newer people who are joining in. So, that's just how it works. Okay guys, I hope that's clear. So, unang-una, stay away from Curther Investment, and then stay away from Oakside Investment, and then yung like copy-pasta ng website, like it's just the same. Come on, look at this. It's the same. They have a template. Pati yung effect na to, like, it's the same. Come on, man. Are you fucking kidding me? And then, like, they have the same credentials and same description, but they have the different names. Like, the fuck? Natatawa na lang ako kasi, like, ang dami pa rin. I mean, may sumusuporta talaga sa kanila, no? Yeah. And yun nga. As long as they make money, they're okay with it. Even though it's, like, at the expense of other people. So, yeah, don't be that guy. Don't be that gal. Just invest the right way, okay? Don't support these investment schemes, these Ponzi schemes, these investment scams. Okay guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, click mo na rin yung subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out on my uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow me on my social media platforms as well at MNPSPH. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click mo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe and don't entertain these Ponzi schemes. Just stay out of them, stay out of their way. Report them if you can. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.